Hello, everyone. Welcome to 100 Days of Slow English. I'm so happy you're here today. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This challenge is for you. For the next 100 days, we will learn English together. We will speak slowly. We will use simple English. Day by day, your English will become better. Today is day 1. Today's lesson is how to introduce yourself in English. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Olivia. I'm 25 years old. I'm from the United States. I live in New York. I work as a teacher. I love teaching English. I enjoy reading books. I like listening to music. I enjoy walking in the park. I love meeting new people. I'm friendly and kind. I'm happy to meet you. Thank you for listening to my introduction. Now you know a simple and natural way to introduce yourself in English. Practice these sentences every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Tomorrow, we will continue with day 2 of our 100 Days of Slow English Challenge. We'll learn more simple and useful English together. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, stay with me. Take care. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.